It is all across the country. It's horrific.
So because of COVID, there's an increase of 50% drug overdosing in this country.
They couldn't go to their support group meetings. They couldn't necessarily get the treatment they had been getting. All of their social networks were cut off.
And fentanyl, an often deadly substance, sometimes mixed with drugs to make them more addictive, has become ubiquitous.
It's either pressed into pills and sold as fake counterfeit pills that people are taking unexpectedly.
Regina LaBelle, acting director of the Office of National Drug Control Policy, says the number of deaths are shocking, but she says there are ways to prevent them.
No one has to die from an overdose. We have medications that can reverse overdose deaths, and we have medications to treat opioid use disorder.
Despite the tragedy she's been through, Jouer doesn't want families to give up.
There's always hope. And I don't want people to look at me that way in fear that this is what's going to happen to their child, because that's not always true.
Narcan is a medication used to reverse the effects of an opioid overdose, and in many cases it can save lives. But in Rhode Island, public health experts say they're hearing cases where several doses of Narcan are now being needed to be effective against fentanyl.
Several cans.
Several cans.
Wow. Valerie, thank you. Nora Volkow now.
Anyways, that's crazy. The drug epidemic and drug overdose increased by 50% from 2020 to 2021.